Welcome to the channel. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to assemble my very first e-bike. And today, I want to show that bike to you and go over a few things. As I mentioned before, I'm new to e-biking. So this is coming from a first-time e-biker. I may not know all the stats and ins and outs of all these e-bikes and what people are looking for. I'm just going to show you as a first-time e-biker. This is my brand new Velotric Discover 2. I got it in the stone gray. This is a step-through bike. And this is a commuter bike. This is my very first e-bike. And can't wait to get it out on the road and test it out. I won't be able to do that right now because it's still winter and there's snow. So let me go over a few things. Forgive me if I'm not going in order of everything, but this is how I'm just going to go through everything. This bike here has an adjustable stem. You can loosen this up and you can rotate this up and down depending on how tall you are. This has a swept back handlebar. This has a 750 watt motor with 75 Newton meters of torque. The torque doesn't mean anything to me right now, but what I've learned is, I guess with the 75 Newton meters of torque, you'll be able to go up some pretty good hills with this. This bike comes with a 8-speed Shimano shifter, a Shimano Altus derailleur, which is, not the lowest grade, but the middle of the road derailleur. This has Kenda 27.5 by 2.4 inch puncture resistant tires. These are street tires. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to be using this mainly on road, but if I ever decide to take some dirt trails or whatever, I could always change these to, a little bit knobbier tire. The bike weighs 63 pounds. The load capacity is 440 pounds. This bike comes with Tektro hydraulic brakes, with 180 millimeter Tektro discs. We got some metal fenders, front and back. It has a bike rack, a Mick heavy duty bike rack. Mick means it's one of those, it's a brand where they have, they sell special products for, quick attach here for like child seats and other things. But this rack is meant, max load of 66 pounds. Bike comes with a 48 volt 3 amp fast charger. And for your battery, you just turn the key, pops right out. Battery has a nice handle. Just pull it right up. Okay. Hit the button, Shows your charge. This battery is a 48 volt, 14.7 amp hour, IPX7 waterproof battery. So supposedly this is one of the best batteries out there that's for waterproofing. And you just snap it, put it back in. So the bike comes in two different frame sizes. This one is the regular. This fits people from 4'11" up to 5'9". The large frame is for people that are 5'6" up to 6'4". And I have the regular frame, as I am 5'7". This bike comes with a nice front suspension with lockout. Supposedly it's adjustable. This is 80 millimeters of suspension travel, I guess. Don't know what that means to me, but I guess I'll find that out when I get on the road. This bike comes with a headlight, and a tail light. And don't worry, that's not flashing right now, that's just the camera. And it shows right there on the screen that the headlight is on. And then it goes gray. This bike also has flashers. See it blinking? Blinking. And I meant signals, not flashers, but okay. So on your display, you got your battery, you got your trip time, your speedometer, and your pedal assist, and I'm in 0. This here is your pedal assist modes. You have Eco, Trail, and Boost. They each give it a little bit different power. So also you have down here, well, like I said, you got your trip distance and your trip time. You could change it. This is your average speed and your max speed. You could change it again. Then there's your calories and your CO2 or whatever, I guess. I don't know what that is. And then you have your odometer and your total time. Okay. You want to change your pedal assist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then you could just go click down. To get into your menu, just press and hold the M button. Gets into your menu. So you got your speed limit. So the bike comes from the factory with a max speed limit of 20. So you can move up and down in your menu like that. So if you want to change your speed limit, hit the M to select it, and then you could lower it and raise it. So it comes at 20, and I have it maxed out at 28. Okay, and then hit your back button or hit M to save, and success. All right, so you get your trip resets, your screen brightness, riding modes, which you already have. Rear light mode, you can change your rear light to different types of modes. Auto light on. Let's see here, I don't think I have that done. I got it off. Okay, back. Auto power off. Throttle limited. So this means throttle limited. You could either have it on or off. I have it off. If you have it on, it is your throttle is limited to whatever pedal mode you're in, assist mode you're in. I have it off, so that means that the throttle is not limited, and I could hit the throttle anytime, and it goes as fast as I want, up to whatever speed I have set. And then, you know, cruise control. This bike has cruise control, which I don't use. And then you can connect to your app. And if you have an iPhone, you can find your bike. This has, yeah, Apple Find My Bike. I don't have an iPhone, so I won't be using it. But if you connect to your app, in your app, you can change the, change your sensor, so a cadence sensor to a torque sensor, and I have it set on torque. You can set units to either kilometers or miles per hour. I have it set to miles per hour. Okay. This bike comes in 4 different colors. I have the stone gray. There's mint green. There is cherry crimson red, which is pretty cool. And there's pine green. I'm not a red person. The mint green ain't me. And the dark green ain't me. So I got the stone gray. The bike price is $18.99. Free shipping. I know it's pretty quick to get here. Supposedly this is one of the most comfortable bikes. I haven't gotten it out yet, but this is pretty, the seat's pretty nice. Another thing is this has an adjustable seat, so you just pull this bar right here, you can slide the seat up and down, and came with a bell. Like I said, there's your shifter. This is where you could shift down the gears, and you want to shift up gears. You pull the trigger right here. Shift down. Your rear brake. Front brake. Yeah. Well, I'm pretty excited to have this. Like I said, I'm new to e-biking, so forgive me for the way I went over this. I don't know all the ins and outs of everything. Let me know. Oh, another thing I forgot. It has 2 things right here. This is where you can put your water bottle, or they designed some of these new locks, bike locks that fold up and you can store it right here. You could also, this has some things right here, some bolts right here. So this, you can order a front basket if you want from Velotric. That'll be on the website. You could also get a rear basket for the back rack. They also sell that. They also sell a mirror that bolts right here. And I think they also sell like a phone holder, but I didn't get that. I might do that in another video. But anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below to their website. They have all the different bikes there. And as I'm making this video, they just came out with the new, I think it's the Nomad 2. Their fat tire bike. I'll have to check that out sometime. But for right now, I'm just getting into it. I'm not going to be doing the off-road, BMX stuff or anything. I'm going to be cruising on the roads. So I wanted this. But I may have to check that out sometime. And like I said, I'm new to e-biking. So in the comments, leave me some. What did I do wrong? What should I get? What should I do? And if you're interested in following me along on this e-biking journey, there'll be some future videos coming out on that. Hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to get it out and do my initial ride. And then I'll also be taking you on some other bike trails and, showing you some other products that I might purchase for the bike and stuff like that. So if you want to stay around for those, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified when I put out those type of videos. And yeah, that'll be it for now. And if you want to watch some more of my content, check out this video right here. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.